So basically, I don't know how I'm gonna record this, but yeah, just okay. So I know what you're struggling on. So basically, what you want to do, so you have the graph and everything. So basically, so you're saying that one line's going like this and one line's going like this, right? So okay, right here, this is the breaking point. The breaking point is the oh sorry is basically the point that they use to like um basically the breaking point is I guess the point that both like points are at, like they're both touching. So like say this could be positive 2, so that'll be your breaking point is 4 2. So if it's a closed circle, it's less than or greater than or equal to. And if it's an open circle, then it's just a regular inequality sign without the greater than or equal to. And basically you just gotta just find the slope. So when you want to find the slope, it's rise over run. So say it goes like two up and then three right, or three two right and then three up. That's gonna be a positive because right is positive and up is also positive. But I'm about to show you like for this one. So basically, the rise is 3, while the run is 2. So you want to divide 3 by 2, that'll just be 3 halves. And after that, you want to get the slope of this. So whenever it goes left, it's going to be negative. So just keep that in mind. So say it's like 4 right and then 8 up. It's going to be 8 over negative 4. So if negative divided by positive, that's going to be negative. So your slope is going to be 2. So basically, if it doesn't have a y-intercept, just keep following the slope. So 8 4 8 4 until you just think of it as like an infinite line that has just like an infinite like slope. So just think of it as like both the lines are just going forever and forever until like the end of time. So basically, just think of it like that. So yeah, just just have that slope and just find the little the y-intercept. This y-intercept is probably like 1 or 2. I don't know, just having like an example. So that means it will be y equals 3 halves x plus 2. Yeah, so that's gonna be for 1. And then since it's a closed circle, and that's your like your point, that's your breaking point. It's gonna be uh less than or equal to 2, because it doesn't go past 2. It just the point right here doesn't go past 2. It goes like less than 2. So just yeah, keep that in mind. So if it doesn't go like more than 2, then that's your breaking point. Same here. If it doesn't, this goes like more than 2. So like you see like right here, it's got like say from like 2 all the way to 8. So this one's gonna be like, hold on, let me put a little parenthesis right here. It's gonna be like 8. So your x is gonna be less than or equal to 2 for this point right here. And then for this point right here, it's gonna be greater than equal to 2, because that it goes farther than 2, like on the x-axis, not the y-axis. So just keep that in mind. So that means your equation is going to be probably like, so y equals 2 to something like, okay, they said the slope was 2, so it's like 2x plus and whatever your y-intercept is. So it's probably like 2 4, something like that. So y plus 4, and then just keep in mind that y is the same thing as f of x. So yeah, just have that in mind. So yeah, basically that's what you gotta do. And if you need any more help, just give me a call.